Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on the menu icon right here to open the menu. Scroll down, tap on the Garmin devices, select the Fenix 7X, then tap on the More Options icon right here, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove to confirm. The device will disappear from the list of devices. We can close the app. Now let's open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. Here, find the Fenix 7X on the list of devices. Tap on Settings, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. And now our watch is unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.